Hey everybody, it's Dr. B, Dr. Brian Pekarsky from Core Matrix Physical Therapy. Today's demonstration will show you how to do a dynamic gait assessment with somebody virtually. So basically, if you want to see how somebody's walking and you're telling them to either turn their head right or left or look up or down, this gives you a little way that you can do this. So this, you definitely want to have somebody use their smartphone like I am here, or have a family member hold the smartphone and watch the patient walk. So basically, you have the smartphone in front, and you as the clinician or the instructor will say, okay, I want you to just walk normal, and I'm either going to tell you to look left or right or up or down. You won't tell them so they don't know what's coming, but you just want to see as they're doing, are they stumbling, are they staggering? You want to make sure that somebody is near the person or the patient when they're doing this, or they have something to hang on to like a wall or railing as they're doing this. And again, you're just looking at their vestibular response to the balance input as they're walking and with turning direction, so that all the systems are working properly. So for instance, if I'm going to tell somebody, okay, I want you to start walking, and I'm going to either tell you to look left or right, up or down. So they start walking, okay, look right, look left, look up, down. Then I'll have them turn around, keeping focus. Okay, look down, left, up, right. And if you start to see the camera kind of shimmer, or they're shaking or unstable, that gives you an idea of one of the functional deficits. Maybe it's when they're out in the community in the mall and they're looking at a shelf to the right, they tend to veer. So this will give you information on maybe that weak ear, that hypofunction. So doing a test like this can also help kind of verify that. So again, as you're walking, down, up, up, and they can turn, left, right, left, and you see them start to stagger. Okay, that's where the deficit could be. So those are ways that you can look at a dynamic gait functionally on a telehealth version. If you're live or in a clinic, obviously you're going to be there with the person, and you walk next to them or have a family member with them, and you can tell them where to look and kind of assess and value it that way. But if you're doing it on a telehealth or virtual, just have them use their cell phone, or have a family member hold the cell phone, and then you'll just coach them on where to look. And it's a really nice way to look at kind of dynamic gait and functional training. So again, that's just a dynamic gait assessment for the VOR and also for balance.